first. English must aim to develop, groom the abilities, creativity and hidden talents of our young minds. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Himana and I will be the host for today's English first and annual celebrations of an Olympics from my culture. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Prasadima and I will be your host for today's wonderful English first. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kirtula, your host for today's celebration on the behalf of NLP School Bangladesh. I warmly